Hello, this is Greg. I made a board. First thing I did, it's a Zener Diode test board. But first thing I did was make this, and then I went on to Easy EDA and designed this and had it made at these guys right here, JL PCB. So, first thing I'm going to do is test the board, make sure everything goes where it's supposed to. Nope. And, oh, well, it should go here to here, and it should go here to here. Excellent. Okay, might as well test my resistor. Oops, got the line in the way here. Move that. What do we got? It's supposed to be 1K, 99, 1. Okay, we'll take it. So I'm going to go right straight to putting this together. This is a, as it says right on here, a Zener Diode test board. I'm going to slip this in. You can use a surface mount if you wish. That was an accident on my part. I am a complete amateur at all of this stuff, and I don't mind saying so, because eventually you'll catch me anyway, because I am. You are what you are. And I'm in my 60s and I'm learning something new. And I'm having fun doing it, so. Soldering iron set at 460 Celsius. I really want that to sink down in a little better, but it looks like it's happy where it's at. Don't like my bend there either. Okay, so once that's in place, I'm going to go ahead and set these in. These are going to be where the probes are going to lean into. I gotta move my mic a little bit. It's kind of in my chin, so sorry about that. There we go. That's a little better. Yeah. Okay. So let's give this a little. See what I'm going here? Oh yeah, nicely. Let that warm up a bit. And once it's in there and hot, straighten it. Oh, that's hot. Okay. One there. A little bit of a solder dip. Hang it. Oh, well. I thought I was going to hang it in there. Let's just kind of set that on there. Get some of that in. And boom. It does get hot fast through that copper, so it's good hard copper wire. That's not going to do it either, is it? Well, I guess I got one to do it. So, you all come here quickly. Oh no. Wire in there. And boom. Gotcha. Okay. Look at that. Now, next, what I did was I made these little, these are out of paper clips. So we'll see how this is going to work. I'm going to solder those right into there. This time I think I will fill the hole. It's early in the morning and it's chilly. Prineville, Oregon. And then we'll give this a little dip in the paste and see if I can stabilize myself here. And we'll just stick that in just like that. What's that? Huh. Yeah. Little dip. Here, I'm gonna do a little readjust right here for a second. There we go. That's better. Now let's get my bridge here. Well, I think I'm going to have to just try and elbow it in here. And Oh, come on. Oh, it solidified. Oh, yeah, definitely have to get a little better jig on that. But that, look at that. Okay, well, I think we'll give that a try. Yeah, a little shaky on that one. All right, so undo. And that is the board right there. Oh, no, shoot, what am I doing? Put you back where you go. Grab some snips. Take a deep breath. And flip. And, oh, shoot. I just let that fly, damn it. Oh, yeah, I guess I did get, oh, shoot, that's all blurry. Yeah, these probably would have been better. In fact, can I do that now without burning the crap out of myself? Just push that board down. There we go. Now they're both pretty much, yeah, one's still a little longer than the other. Must have been how I bent it. I bent this. Oh, it is. Look, it can even see it. I bent this one straight at the bend, and I was a little under the bend. So right on the line of the bend. So, okay. Now, let's get the power supply going. I probably don't need this so much right now as I do. I'm going to pause and wire everything together. Okay, I have everything set up here. I have some random diodes. I've already done this one once right here. I have 35.86 volts going into the board at 200 milliamps. And then it says, you can see it says negative and positive of the diode. So we just slip it onto here, and that is a 5-volt Zener diode. Let's see what we got here. You can even do it this way and just do it on the board. These are, oops, no, there we go. That's a 35-volt Zener? No. Is that a, oh, maybe this is not a voltage regulating Zener. So let's go to this little bag of 4.7s. Because sometimes they're not. And slip this on. Come on. And that's another 4.7. It says 5 volt. Okay. So I'm going to put this one in this bag too, because those are probably the same. Let's go up and do a bigger one. What do we got here? Here's an 18 volt. And then we'll do a 30 volt too. And I just have this hooked up exactly like it says, positive to my power supply. Just a alligator clip. That's how I've hooked them up. So you have positive and negative going into the board here. And then the probes go from here to here. These are 2 probe things. So very easy to hook up. And let's see what we got here. Boom. 18 volt. Look at that. Oh, 19 volt. Okay. I don't think it's good to leave it on there. It's just a test, just to see what it is. And let's go to this 30 volt, see what it does. $30 volts. So, that works. I'm happy. All right. Well, that's my first real, I've copied things. Well, I copied this too. I think, I don't know, this is what I made the first time, and it worked, but it was real fumbly with these clips here. So, and then I just used this hot glue to hold everything down. Anyway, there is a functional Zener Diode tester, and it's only one resistor, 3 pieces of wire, and a couple of paper clips. So, and it'll go up to 36 volts. So, now that I've made the video, I really hadn't thought much about what to do. Whether I'm going to sell these or not. Because I wasn't even sure it'd work till I made one. They only sent me 5. There's the other 4. Anyway, how about if you guys are interested in one of these, give me a thumbs up. Or maybe I'll just make a sales video separately. And then this will be the assembly video. Anyway, however it goes, have a great day.